Welcome to Season 3 of Conscious Conversations, where we aim to inspire deep and meaningful interactions that grow into a community of practice that is committed to healing, resilience, and expansion.
We have been given everything that human beings need in order to survive on this planet. There's no lack there. What's lacking is our capacity to share it. We are gotten into this. It's all about me, and I really don't give a damn about you. And I'm gonna get mine, kind of, and to hell with you. Pardon my French. You know, when we get there, we have severed ourselves from who we really are, not just in community, but the fact that we are all children of God. And there is a connective tissue between us that one can't see, but is far more real than one can see.